India Post always serves through traditional and modern services to the public with various schemes. The department has now computerized all the post offices and ready to serve any type of services easily to the public. The department has launched a new scheme as Ashirvachanam on 14th July 2009 in Tirupati Head Post Office with a joint tie-up of Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanams Tirupati. Through the scheme, the department has rendering services to the public with the collaboration of TTD, and also the department is self-sustaining. Sri B.V. Sudhakar, the then Postmaster General, Kurnool region, has launched this scheme in the year 2009. The main motto of Ashirvachanam scheme is the devotees of Lord Balaji who are not able to visit Tirumala for offering their donations can utilize this scheme. The service can be utilized from any of the post office across the country by sending their donations through money order to EO TTD Tirupati with a minimum amount of Rs 1 and a maximum of Rs 5,000 at a time. The offerings received from devotees are being paid through check to the EO TTD Tirupati on the same day of receipt by the Department of Post. In turn, as a token, the TTD authorities will supply Swami and Ammavari photo, sacred rice, that is Akshantalu, to the devotees in the specially designed cover by TTD at their doorstep. It is a special privilege to the devotees, particularly who sends their offerings through Department of Post. Many of the devotees are utilizing electronic money order facility which was introduced by the Department of Post in sending their offerings to TTD instantaneously. India Post is operating this scheme like a bridge between God and devotee by going to adage that Manava Seve Madhava Seva. The Department of Post is operating a special branch in Tirupati Head Post Office, and also special software has been designed for operating this scheme. Approximately 1500 to 2000 money orders are being received daily from across the country with an amount of Rs 1 lakh to 2 lakhs, and the same will pool up and pay the consolidated amount to the TTD by way of check on the same day itself. Simultaneously, the Swami Ammavari photo, Akshantalu and acknowledgement will be sent on the same day to the devotees with pride involvement in fulfilling the desires of the devotees. The department is getting closer to the devotees of Lord Venkateshwara through this scheme. Previously, the devotees had a doubt that whether their donations will be reached to TTD or not. Now, the devotees feel very happy as they are getting confirmation through Postal Department by way of acknowledgement and Swamivari Prasadam. Many of the devotees are interested in sending their offerings through MO as they will get special Akshintalu which will not be available for common devotees. The TTD is getting nearly 2 lakhs income through the scheme daily. In turn, Postal Department is serving Lord Venkateshwara and his devotees and getting income through the scheme. The Superintendent of Post Offices, Tirupati, is personally monitoring this prestigious scheme daily.
Ashirvachanam scheme was launched in Postal Department on 14th July 2009. At the beginning, we received only 3,000 money orders under this scheme. Now we are able to get 30,000 money orders every month. There is a drastic increase in money orders being received, and there is an increase even in revenue. We are taking steps to improve and popularize the scheme through print and electronic media, and also through internal marketing under the able guidance of our beloved CPMG Sri B.V. Sudhakar Garu. This helps us to get more number of money orders. Now we aimed at receiving 50,000 to 75,000 money orders in a month. We made all arrangements to meet the requirements. TTD authorities also extending their heartful cooperation in making this scheme success. We are very much thankful to them for their cooperation. We are very proud to be a part in this scheme. We feel that it is an opportunity given by Lord Balaji to serve the devotees of all over India by delivering the boons of Lord Balaji at their doorsteps. Om Namo Venkatesaya.
With this spirit, the TTD authorities are initiating other special services like issue of special darshan tokens through Department of Posts. Daily from dawn to dusk, the staff of Department of Posts are involved in these schemes and are attending to the duty with holy and sanctity atmosphere, plying the chant Om Namo Venkatesaya.